Today, we will present to you a simple mental health guide to teen wellness and education. This guide is for educational purposes only.
In today's fast-paced world, teenagers are navigating a complex landscape of academic pressures, social dynamics, and personal growth. Our tips to better mental health are meant to be a guide for better teen health and wellness. Let's start with tip number 1. Be kind to yourself. Look inward. The journey to mental wellness begins with self-awareness. You are the only person you can control. Look forward. Make good choices and happiness will surely follow. The choices we make today shape our tomorrow. Tip 2. Be kind to others. Kindness is a cornerstone of mental health. By practicing empathy and compassion, teens can build strong, supportive relationships. Do good, lead by example, and others will follow. Don't be afraid to show your talents to others. Do smile. When you don't have anything to say, just smile. Whether it's volunteering or simply offering a smile, these acts of kindness not only uplift others, but also enhance one's own sense of purpose and connection. Tip 3. Value your knowledge. Don't be afraid of the knowledge you have to share with others. You may change someone's life for the better without realizing it. Listen well. Value knowing when to speak and when to listen. Effective communication is key to healthy relationships and self-expression. Speak well. Value knowing the power of positive words. This not only improves personal relationships, but also boosts self-esteem and confidence. Tip 4. Recognize your strengths. By recognizing and nurturing these abilities, you can build a robust sense of self-worth. Never forget, you are much stronger than you think. Engaging in activities that highlight your talents can show you just how strong you really are. Always remember, your strength comes from within. Let no one tell you you don't have the strength to continue on. Tip 5. Believe in your abilities. Celebrating achievements, no matter how small, can reinforce your confidence and belief in your potential. Remind yourself, you actually know more than you think you do. Self-love is the foundation of mental wellness. And finally, yes, love yourself. Your abilities connect to the confidence and patience you give yourself. This underscores the importance of viewing yourself with kindness and understanding. We hope you've enjoyed this audio-video presentation of a simple guide to teen mental health and wellness in education brought to you by author Danya Kelfa. As a friendly reminder, the mental health views expressed in this ebook guide are in no way to use as medical advice. If you feel you need mental health advice, please visit your local mental health agencies. This ebook guide is copyrighted and is only intended to be used in educational settings. Thank you.